Hey guys, it's me Risa. Welcome to my kitchen. I hope you're doing well and staying on your health journey. Before I start my video, I just want to show you that I just finished another video because I've been very busy making apple and pear sauce. Look at this. It's in that huge pot, my cast iron pot, and I can't wait to have it as a treat, a dessert, a snack with my granola. Check that recipe out. Have it on yogurt. So stay tuned and I'll be posting that one very soon as well. Today, however, you know I'm on a burger kick or a patty kick. So we're gonna make tuna patties today. How does that sound? Nice and delicious, low fat, healthy, guilt-free, and a great meal for lunch, for brunch, for dinner, even as a snack, even as a after workout, you grab one of these burgers and you'll be satisfied because it's low fat, low carb, and high protein, all right? So what do you need? You're gonna need 2 cans of tuna, and I just bought the flaked white tuna, and it's the albacore, try saying that, albacore, in water, okay? So you can use whatever you want. This is the great value. It is 170 grams, 2 cans. That's what I'm using. Preheat your grill. I have my big rock grill that I buy at Costco for $30. I love it because it's nice and large. It's flat on one side and it has the ridges on the other side, all right? And I've just used some olive oil spray so they don't stick. All right, so I've just put it in a big, large bowl, and what I like to do is I like to just take my hands and just really squish it up. Make sure you rinse out the water, of course, first, and I like it to just be nice and a smooth texture, okay? That's it. All right, now, I like spices, of course, you know that, right? Because it needs flavor. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, about a 1/4 teaspoon of some nice black pepper, about a 1/4 teaspoon of some chili flakes, just to give it a little zip. You could use some Frank's hot sauce or sriracha if you want, and about a 1/4 teaspoon of oregano. And I'm just gonna add all that in right now. Okay, move that out of the way. And a pinch of some pink Himalayan or sea salt or kosher salt just to bring out the flavor. I never really measure. And we're gonna use 1 extra large beaten egg that I'm gonna just add right now. You can see this recipe is so fast and easy. And that's what I like. I like fast, simple, easy recipes. And of course, when you have things in the house, it just makes it so much easier. Now, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of Greek zero fat yogurt, okay? And 1 tablespoon, and I love the Hellmann's mayonnaise just for a little bit of richness. Okay, I'm gonna get my spatula because I wanna make sure I get all of it out. All right, so, and I like the Hellmann's light mayonnaise. And again, you can use what you like. Now, I'm gonna put in some celery, and I grated it. I put it in actually my mini Cuisinart, so it's really tiny pieces, a couple tablespoons worth, okay? And I also have green onions, a couple tablespoons, and I also made sure that it was processed really well. So, and I love my mini processor. I'm just trying to see if I can find it in this mess. I'm not sure where it is. It's hidden. Anyways, I love it. So, just makes it easier, and a couple tablespoons of fresh dill that I've just chopped up. All right. And a 1/3 cup of seasoned breadcrumbs. Fast, easy, simple. Mix that up. Okay, and you know my recipes are versatile. So if you want to add anything else, or you think you want to add a little bit more Greek yogurt or a little bit more mayonnaise, you can do that. And and the other thing too is it's all cooked. Well, the egg isn't cooked, but I was gonna say taste it, but I'm not gonna taste it. I know it's gonna be good. So just mix that up really well, just to show you it's all mixed up. And then I like to take my cookie cutters and I'm putting it on my heated grill. Yeah, it's nice and warm. And then I'm gonna form my patties. So just put them like that. And you know, depending how big or how thick you want them, I get about 6 patties. And you can eat them hot, you can eat them cold. You can freeze them and have them for another day. You can make them really small and have them as an appetizer. That would be great if you're having company. I'm just gonna put them on here. And I like them to be on like a medium to high heat. So if you're on WW, Wellness That Works, I'm gonna make this one a little bit thicker because this one's pretty thick. So, and I wanna make sure I use all of this up. The key is to just let it cook on one side, all right? And I like to just spray it a little bit more with some olive oil spray. And I'm going to wipe my hands because they are gooey. All right, so on the purple and blue program, it is 4 smart points because all you're counting are the breadcrumbs and the mayonnaise, okay? And so that's 4 smart points for all of that. And you're not gonna eat all of them at once anyways, but you could if you wanted to. You'd be pretty full, I think. And on the green program, you're counting the tuna as well. Okay, so that is going to be 4 smart points for the tuna. So, and 4 and 4 is 8. I can count. All right, so that's it. Really, really low fat, a great brunch, lunch, dinner, snack, after workout option, okay? And I like to just let it cook on one side really, really well. I just pat it down a little bit so it's all sticking together. And you know, you want to be gentle with them when you decide to turn them over, and you'll just check to see, no, it's not ready yet. So I'm gonna let it cook longer. I'll turn it up a little bit. And you saw in a matter of minutes, okay, that they are ready. And dun, da, 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 because I'm gonna let them cook, I'll bring it up and show you that I just made a batch because I like making lots, and then I have it for work or for dinner when I come home with a nice salad, with a stir fry, with steamed or grilled vegetables, roasted vegetables. You could have it on a bun, you can have it on a lettuce wrap, okay? And you can see how beautiful they look, okay? And on both sides, I just wanna bring it up to the camera, all right? And again, eat them hot, eat them cold, make my mug buns if you want. They are super, super delicious. And again, you know, if you want them plain, you want to add a little bit on your bun, some mayonnaise, extra mayonnaise, or some nice mustard would be delicious, right? And fill it with lots of your favorite veggies. I'm just going to check and see this one is ready yet. And turn it over. I like them nice and brown on each side. So that's it. Easy peasy recipes that are quick and delicious, guilt-free, healthy. Tell me what you think. Comment below. If you have any questions, if you change it up, let me know. Again, if you don't want the exact same ingredients, add your own. Add a different onion, add different flavors of seasonings, okay? This is a base. I always say that my recipes are a base and you can make them your own. Check out my Facebook group, WW Tips and Recipes by Risa, and I'm on Instagram, WW Risa's Tips, for more motivation, inspiration, and of course, strategies and recipes and podcasts. Take care. Love you guys. Bye for now.